Efficient project and client management is crucial for businesses looking to stay organized and boost productivity. JobTread CRM is a comprehensive project management and customer relationship management software designed to help businesses streamline workflows, track project progress, manage client interactions, and optimize financials all in one place. Whether you're in construction, contracting, or other service based industries, JobTread offers powerful tools to improve team collaboration, enhance customer relationships, and drive business growth. In this video, we'll explore how to use JobTread CRM effectively, its key features, and why it's an excellent choice for project-based businesses. So for its key features and benefits, first is the centralized project management. JobDread provides a unified dashboard where you can manage all your projects from start to finish. You can track project timelines, budgets, and progress in real time, ensuring better visibility and control. This helps businesses stay organized and ensures projects are completed on time and within budget. Another key feature is the CRM and client relationship management. JobTread allows businesses to store and track customer interactions, communications, and deal progress in one place. It also offers tools for managing leads, tracking proposals, and ensuring follow ups. This strengthens client relationships by improving communication and response times. Another key feature is the financial management and budgeting. With built in budgeting and financial tracking tools, users can manage project costs, track expenses, and generate invoices directly from the platform. This reduces financial discrepancies and helps businesses maintain profitability. Another key feature is the customizable workflows and automation. JobTread enables businesses to set up custom workflows, automate routine tasks, and streamline approvals. Users can also create templates for estimates, contracts, and reports. This saves time by reducing manual tasks and ensures consistency across all projects. Another key feature is the collaboration and communication tools. The platform includes team collaboration features such as task assignments, file sharing, and real time updates, keeping all team members aligned. This enhances efficiency by ensuring that all stakeholders have access to the latest project information. Another key feature is the mobile accessibility. JobTread offers a mobile friendly interface, allowing users to manage projects, update tasks, and communicate with clients on the go. This ensures seamless project tracking and communication from any location. Another key feature is the reporting and analytics. Users can generate detailed reports on project performance, financials, and team productivity, helping businesses make data driven decisions. This improves strategic planning and identifies areas for improvement. So why is JobTread a great choice? JobTread is ideal for businesses that need an all-in-one solution for project and client management. Unlike traditional CRMs that focus solely on customer interactions, JobTread combines CRM features with project management tools, making it a powerful option for service-based industries such as construction, contracting, and home improvement. The platform's user-friendly interface, automation capabilities, and strong financial tracking features make it an excellent investment for businesses looking to streamline operations, improve efficiency, and drive revenue growth. Additionally, its scalability allows businesses of all sizes to customize the platform according to their needs. So basically, JobDread CRM is a robust solution for managing projects, clients, and finances efficiently. With its powerful project tracking tools, automation capabilities, and financial management features, it helps businesses stay organized, enhance collaboration, and deliver better results. So, whether you're a small business owner, contractor, or project manager, implementing JobTread can help you streamline your workflows and improve business performance. So, start using JobTread today and take control of your projects and client relationships with ease. So if you need more information about JobTread, you can always visit their website. And from here, you'll see a bunch of different information, such as features that I haven't mentioned in this video. And of course, you can always see and compare the pricing of their plans. So as you can see, they have the monthly pricing right here. So they have the monthly subscription. They also have annual subscription where you can save 20%. When you scroll down right here also, you will see all of the features that is included in this subscription. So yeah, basically just visit their website and view more as you see fit. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.